These faceless channels have millions of subscribers, and here's how to build yours in 2025. But first, let me show you something crazy. Look at these channels. Never showed their face and built empires, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm breaking down the exact blueprint. Then we're actually going to create a video together. No gatekeeping. And if you're serious about a side hustle or a faceless channel, hit the subscribe button and I'll share weekly tips. 2025 is the year for faceless content. But why? AI tools just eliminated every technical barrier. Your privacy protection while building a real business, scale infinitely, no camera setup, no burnout. Content first approach, viewers want value, they don't need personalities. And here's the kicker. You can literally start with your iPhone and a few free tools, and I'm going to prove it. So for part one, the blueprint. And there's actually a profitable niche formula. Before you choose any niche, use this formula. And I learned this formula from studying 100 plus successful YouTube channels. So the formula is high CPM plus evergreen plus emotional trigger equals money. Some examples are finance and wealth building. It's basically that fear of being broke. AI and technology, it's the fear of being replaced. Education and how-to, it's the fear of missing out. And relaxation and ambient noise, the need for peace. These aren't just random finance videos. $15 to $40 per 1,000 views, while gaming, $2 per view. Choose wisely. Here are 5 formats crushing it right now. Screen recordings, tutorials, demos, animated explainers, there's complex topics simplified, stock footage compilations curated with killer narration, slideshow presentations, information-dense content, and data visualizations where the stats tell stories. But here's what nobody tells you. Pick one format and master it first. Multi-format channels fail because they confuse the algorithm. There is a script structure that works, and the structure gets 70% plus retention. In the first 0 to 15 seconds, you're going to want to do a hook with a transformation promise. 15 to 45 seconds, a problem that makes them care. And 45 seconds to 4 minutes, value bombs every 20 seconds. The last 30 seconds can be a clear next action. Here's an example of one. I'll write it right now. Your phone is designed to be addictive. Here's the neuroscience that they don't want you to know. See, there's a little instant curiosity gap. And of course, AI tools changed everything. These tools just made faceless channels 10 times easier. For voice, you can use 11 Labs, Murph AI, pretty much be a professional narrator. For scripts, you can use ChatGPT, Claude, but use them as an enhancer, not a replacement. For videos, you can use Kling AI, Invideo, Opus Clips, Synthesia, basically text to full video. For editing, you can use CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci, or you can use Descript. All the tools I personally use are linked in the description. Some are free, some have free trials, and yes, some have affiliate links that help support the channel. Also remember that AI can be your assistant, not your replacement. The channels that really win have a human element behind them. There's also an upload strategy that works. Forget daily uploads. Here's what actually works. Week 1 to week 12, 1 quality video per week, same day, same time. It builds anticipation, and after 3 months, analyze your best upload times and then scale. Only increase if you maintain quality. Consistency beats frequency every single time. All right, so you also probably want to see how it's actually really done. Real quick, if you're finding this helpful, hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you're notified when I post more videos on faceless channels. Now, let's create our faceless video. Feel free to pull up your computer if you want to follow along in real time. So for step 1, you're going to want to create a lightning script. And for this topic, we're going to use why are morning routines ruining productivity? Watch this. For the hook, we'll use that 5 a.m. morning routine. It's making you less productive, and here's the science. And for the problem, we use chronotypes. 50% of people are genetically wired to fail at early mornings. And for the solution, match your routine to your biological prime time. And an action. Track your energy for 3 days. Work with biology, not against it. And then you're done. 45 seconds to write, and that's a video. For step 2, you're going to want to record like a pro. And there's 3 options here. You can record your voice, you can use your phone, you can use a microphone. I've linked mine in the description. You can use an AI voice. 11 Labs has some of the best that I've seen out there. Or you can hire someone on Fiverr for like $5 or $10. If you do it yourself, the secret is pretend you're explaining to your best friend. Have somebody in mind. The energy sells, the perfection doesn't. And for step 3, AI video creation magic. And this is actually where it gets insane. Watch me turn that entire script into a full video using nothing but AI. And there's 3 options here. We have Invideo AI, and I'll show you the interface here. And you can paste your script, you can select education style, and then hit generate. It literally will create the entire video for you. Footage, transitions, everything, 30 seconds. And option 2 is Kling AI. It's even crazier. Type prompts for each scene, like show a stressed person at a desk. Boom, AI generates it. And option 3, Synesia. If you want a professional presenter, pick an AI avatar, paste script, done. It looks like a real production. Now, for this video, we're gonna go back to Invideo, and I'm gonna be using that for the demonstration, but I stand by all 3 of these AI generators. And here's my favorite workflow. Invideo for the bass, 11 Labs for the audio, and then I use CapCut to polish.
While this video is generating, let me show you something even cooler. I'm not actually talking right now. This voice, 100% AI. I wrote this script and uploaded it to a tool called 11 Labs. And within seconds, it created a voiceover that sounds almost human, right?
Now imagine this. In less than 5 minutes, I used ChatGPT to write my script, 11 Labs to narrate it, and Invideo to build the entire visual presentation, all without filming myself or recording a single word. This is where content creation is heading, and fast. If you've ever said, I don't like being on camera, or I don't have time to film, that excuse is officially outdated.
What we're watching right now is Invideo putting everything together. It's adding motion graphics, transitions, B-roll, even music, and I barely lifted a finger. You can change the voice, narrator, accent, style, language, and even clone your own voice. Now you might be wondering, how do I make this into a real side hustle? Here's the simple roadmap. Pick a niche, write simple educational content, use AI to turn it into a video like this, and upload to YouTube, TikTok, even your own website. Then monetize with affiliate links, digital products, and AdSense.
These tools lower the barrier to entry. You don't need a team. You don't need fancy gear. You just need ideas and internet. You could make explainer videos, listicles, product demos, faceless reaction videos, and no one would ever know it wasn't a full production studio behind the scenes.
Hey there, productivity enthusiasts. Welcome back to another deep dive into optimizing your life and work. Ever wondered if that 5 a.m. morning routine is actually doing you more harm than good? It's a question worth pondering, especially if you've been struggling to keep up with it. Well, here's the truth. It might be making you less productive. Yes, you heard that right. The very routine that's supposed to supercharge your day could be the one dragging you down. Let's dive into the science behind this. Understanding the mechanics of productivity can help you make better choices. You've probably heard it a million times by now. Wake up at 5 a.m., meditate, exercise, read a book, and you'll be unstoppable. It's the mantra of countless self-help gurus. But what if I told you that this one-size-fits-all advice could be ruining your productivity? Let's talk chronotypes. So, what's a chronotype? It's a fascinating concept that could change how you approach your day. It's basically your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Think of it as your internal clock that dictates when you feel most awake and when you need rest. And guess what? About 50% of people are genetically wired to fail at early mornings. That's a significant portion of the population. That's right, half of us are not built to be early birds. Forcing yourself to wake up at the crack of dawn might be counterproductive. Imagine trying to force a night owl to chirp at dawn. It's not gonna work. It's like asking a fish to climb a tree. Here's the kicker. Your productivity isn't about waking up early. It's about aligning your work with your biological prime time. This is when you're naturally at your best. It's about aligning your work with your biological prime time. This is when you're naturally at your best. Studies show that working against your chronotype can lead to decreased focus, less creativity, and more mistakes. It's like swimming against the current. So if you're feeling groggy and unproductive, your 5 a.m. routine might just be the culprit. It's not about how early you wake up, but how well you align with your natural rhythms. Now, how do you fix this? Simple. It's all about understanding and respecting your unique chronotype, significant boost in your productivity. It's time to listen to your body and work smarter, not harder. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow productivity enthusiasts. Let's spread the word about working with our natural rhythms. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your life and work. We've got plenty more insights coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay productive. Remember, your best work happens when you're in sync with your natural rhythms.
After the video is done generating, you can edit the scenes, stock footage, background, music, narrator, script, and then export it.
That took 2 minutes. No filming, no stock footage hunting, no complex editing. The AI did 90% of the work. And step 4 is the final polish. You'll import everything, audio on the bottom, visuals matched to words, background music at 15% volume max, auto captions, which is crucial for 2025. A lot of people watch on silent. You'll export it 1080p. If you want 4K, and boom, you're done. And this video will get views because it solves a real problem. Look, I just showed you exactly how the biggest faceless channels operate, but most people will watch this and do nothing. But if you're serious about 2025, step 1, screenshot those script templates. Step 2, pick one niche from the list. And step 3, make your first video this week or this weekend. But listen, I've got something that'll save you hours of trial and error. My Faceless channel starter guide, which is completely free and includes 50 Faceless channel ideas, and I put a link down in the description below. It's the exact guide I wish I had when I was getting started, so please let me know if you like it. And if you're looking for other ideas on how to earn some income on the side, you can watch this video here or this playlist here. Thanks.